Hi, I'm John Trishler from Specialty Performance Parts, and today we're at Reichert Ford picking up our new 2024 Raptor to replace our 2021 model Raptor. In 2024, they did a refresh. We've got some new options coming for the bumper. We're here with Jared from Reichert Ford. Tell us a little bit about what you do, Jared.
Well, I'm a sales specialist. I can get you all the knowledge on a product you need, take you on a test drive, pretty much do everything but the numbers for you.
Jared is taking care of us on our 2024 Raptor. If you are in the market for a 2024 Raptor or Bronco or specialty vehicle, Reichert Ford here in Ohio is the biggest volume dealer, and they have Raptors, Broncos, specialty vehicles, you name it. And we'll show you some of that here in a video later on. But right now, let's talk about some of the differences between the outgoing model from 2021 through 2023 and the new 2024 model that we're picking up today to do some new accessories on. We're going to take a look at the 2021 through 2023 model. You'll notice the grille and the headlights, and then as we pan over here to the new 24 model, you're going to notice the difference in the changes here. Notice here in the center, the headlight kind of extends there a little bit more versus the 2021 through 23 model. This is a 37 package, so there are some other slight changes that you may have gotten with a 37 package in the 21 to 23, but one of the big changes that you're going to get in the 24 model with the 37 package is this new modular bumper. The modular bumper gives you the bolts here on top so you can bolt some accessories, which we're coming out with some stuff for. And then a new fog pocket, which we're also going to release some new fog light kits for as well. And you'll notice the sensors right there in the middle, and you can see how that differs from the previous gen, but if you don't get the 37 package, you should still get this same bumper here from the 21 to 23. Also, you're going to notice the tow hooks down below here. The tow hooks are kind of squared off here on the new model, and they're more rounded here on the previous gen model. As you notice, the grille has changed also. You've got some angled lines here through the face of the Ford lettering. The openings of the grille, the honeycomb has gone away, and you've got this opening is a little different here. The fins, I guess we'll call them fins, on the new grille is slightly different compared to that honeycomb look on the previous gen here on the upper grille and the Ford letters there. Your front camera looks basically the same. You'll also notice on the lower grills in the 2024 model, it's more open versus the 23 models. And the 23 model has more of that honeycomb look like the top grill. The hoods are virtually the same. The hood, the fenders, those really have not changed from the two models. One other thing to point out here is here on the corners of our modular bumper and our fenders, on the 24 model, the color is a little darker. It's kind of a little bit of metallic in there, but the color is kind of a medium gray on the 21 through 23 model, and it's a darker gray, almost a black, more of a darker gray on the new models. These are the wheels on the 2024 with the 37 package with the beadlock rings, so you can see what those look like. These are the wheels on the non-37 package with the beadlocks on the 21 to 23 model. One of the other significant changes here to this refresh are the taillights. You can see the changes here to the taillights on the 24 model as compared to the 21 to 23 model. And we can hit unlock on the new model here so you can see how those light up. And we can hit it also here on the 21 to 23 model, so you can see the difference there on how they illuminate. Here on the rear panel, there's some slight changes to it as well. As you see, matching the front grille with the kind of angled lines through the Ford lettering versus the flat lettering of the 21 to 23 model. And last, we'll point out here, the rear bumpers are basically unchanged between the models. All right, so this is the interior on the 2021 to 23 model. This is your dash, your touch screen, little center console, and your front seats. Again, keep in mind, the 24 we have here is the 37 package, so it has the Recaro seats, but the Recaro seats now come in a black leather, whereas originally you could only get it with blue. This is your dash, your touch screen, little center console, and your front seats. All right, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Visit us at spvparts.com for all your accessories for your off-road vehicles. And if you're in the market for a new Raptor, Bronco, Mustang, anything specialty, see Jared here at Reichert Ford. He's going to take care of you on any of the specialty vehicles. These guys are some of the best in the business when it comes to specialty vehicles.